Today we have a video from Uncovered, and the title of the video is Brat Finally Gets Busted After Terrorizing a Restaurant.
Stop touching
Get out.
me.
Push me again and you're going to be arrested. Get out.
Ooh! Let's go! Lady on lady! Ooh!
Turn around.
On January 6th, police were called to the same restaurant twice after a disorderly customer refused to leave the property.
Let's go. Let's go. I already told you that you had to leave.
Please.
Get out.
I understand.
Out. Get out. I already asked you
Watch
nicely.
your
I
mouth.
already offered you a ride.
Watch your mouth.
Get out.
Watch.
Get out.
Don't.
That's fine.
Ooh,
Get
she
out.
swiped at the arm.
Get out. I'm sorry.
Don't touch
Get
me.
out.
Don't touch
I already
me.
dealt with you once. I already asked you nicely. I offered you a ride.
It's not that.
Get out.
It's not that. Look at everybody that they sat there
That's
and
fine.
offered.
Get out.
It's
All right,
it's
let's
fine.
talk outside.
Stop touching
Get out.
me.
Push me again and you're going to be
Stop
arrested.
touching
Get out.
me. Stop
Get out.
touching me.
Let's
Call
go.
somebody. Call somebody.
That's fine.
Because they know
Get
my
out.
name. Call them.
Go ahead.
Call them.
Out.
Don't touch me.
Get
I'm
out
telling
of
you
the
right
building.
now. I'm telling
I'm
you
telling
right
you
now.
right now to get
And
out.
I'm telling you to call
Get
somebody.
out.
Call somebody.
You want to be under arrest?
Hey, go ahead.
All right, let's go. Turn
Go
around.
ahead. Go ahead.
Turn around.
Go ahead.
I'm not doing this. Stop. Stop. You want to go? You better fucking stop. Then turn around and stop. Stop.
I have my arms right here. You're talking about stop. No, I have my arms right
We're
here.
not doing this.
I
Stop.
have my arms
not
right
doing
here. I have my arms right here.
Get
Ooh.
down.
Yep.
Turn around.
Smack the chair.
Go ahead.
Roll over.
Go ahead.
Turn around.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Acting like a child. All I did was ask you to leave. That's all you had to do.
And I sat there and I said the same exact thing that you wanted me to say. So go ahead. You're going to be very upset.
That's
We
okay.
have lost in the morning.
That's it. 33. I'm gonna have one in custody for trespassing and obstructing.
It wasn't even.
Uh-uh.
No. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Ask them when they ask.
Stop acting like a child.
Ask them when they ask you to trespass. Ask them. You're gonna be fucking.
I told you not to come back in
No,
here.
I did not come back in here.
I told you not to come back in here.
I never left.
You did leave because we
I
walked
never
you out.
left.
We literally
I never
walked you
left.
out.
You're dumb. You're dumb. You're dumb.
You're going to jail.
Okay, go ahead.
All right,
Go
let go of your
ahead.
phone.
No. Calm.
I literally offered you a ride and said you were
I
acting like
did.
a child.
Too late for that. Stop rolling
I
around.
never left.
Yeah, you never left. That's called trespassing.
Okay, but they never even told me I had to leave.
I told you multiple
Ask
times.
her. Ask her.
Alright, we're gonna sit up now.
Ask
We're gonna
her.
sit up off the ground.
Ask her. Ask her. Ask
Yeah.
her. Yeah. Yeah.
Do you have a rifle? You got her?
I hope you're happy because you're getting a lot.
Yeah, I got it. I got it. I'll get over.
Yeah.
Go out.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's all hers.
Come on.
No, that's not mine.
This isn't yours?
No,
Then I'm gonna go throw it in the
I
garbage.
just have a green bag with my stuff
This
in it.
isn't
That's
yours.
Not mine. That's not my bag. I'm telling you. No. Stop. I'm talking stop. I'm telling you to stop.
Walk to the car.
Please, I'm talking
Walk
to you.
to the car.
Please, I'm talking to you. Please, I'm telling you. But I'm telling you where I have
I'm not telling you to stop.
Yeah, and
I like this cop. I give her a lot of credit. She handled it before the other officer got there. I mean, and this is what I expect out of the lady officers, man. This is exactly what I expect. I expect them to be able to handle the girls. That's exactly what I expect. I expect them to be able to handle the ladies. You know, sometimes they, you know, you might occasionally get your one that might be, you know, a little bit more aggressive than the rest or whatever, but something like this, she should not have. I mean, of course, you always need backup, but she should have been able to take control of the situation, get her together, handcuff her, all of that stuff. And I like, this was great work. This was great work, man.
Hey, but that's not. No, you're fucking off. You're fucking off.
Okay, wait.
You're fucking up. Look at the bag. I don't have nothing.
He's gonna use this
nothing
OC.
but food. That's nothing but food.
Hey, calm down, calm down. It's all good.
Yeah, I know it's violent. I know, but look. It's nothing but food.
Stop.
I know I'm not. I'll let you guys do whatever you want.
Okay.
She can check me.
She's
Please.
just doing a check. It's all
I
good.
know.
It's okay.
She can do whatever she wants.
Miss, take a breath. Take a breath.
That's it. Tell her to go after this, please.
Take a breath. Take a breath.
Yeah, I want her gone.
Okay.
I want her gone. My pants are going down below my waist.
She's pulling up for you.
Yeah, it's just realize it's just stop. There's nothing.
Hey.
There's nothing.
Hey, okay.
There's nothing.
Sorry.
Tell him I'm sorry.
I hear you. I hear you.
I know.
But right now, we gotta sit in the
Stop.
car, okay?
You f***ed up.
Come on, get
You
in the
know
car.
you f***ed up.
Well-
You know. She knows she
Hey,
f***ed up.
get
Hey,
in the car.
I
Get in the
know.
car.
Call him.
Come on, okay, get in the car. We'll
Please.
call.
I
You
can't.
can.
Knowing
You can.
that.
You gotta get in the car.
Ow.
The only way out of this is getting in the car. Get in the car.
That's the only
How many
thing
times
I
did I
have.
actually say this tonight?
I'm gonna push her in if not.
Get in the car.
And she already knows that she's gonna.
Okay.
You harder. You harder.
Listen to me.
I don't want nothing to do with. I
Listen.
don't want. I don't.
Hey, listen, I'm gonna put your
I
seatbelt
don't
on, okay?
No,
What I want you to do is lean back
that's
and look
not
away from me.
fair. I don't want nothing to do with her. Please. And there's 50-50 chance.
I'm sorry, I can't find the
I know.
seatbelt.
It's
Keep your
right
foot in the
here
car.
on the right of me.
Keep your foot in the car.
I know. It's right here. It's right here by my hands. I'm sorry.
You're okay, I'm just trying to find
I know. I know. I'm sorry.
Alright.
You said you talk to fucking people like they're. Oh, that's so fucking. Hey, you have to. I'm not gonna lie to you. You have to. I'm telling you right now. It's better you now and then later.
You can make a phone call at the jail.
Okay. Well, I'm telling you right now, you're gonna be fucked. Love you. It's okay. It's okay. I did not want this. I did not want this at all. I did not do nothing wrong.
You trespassed, actually.
Trespassed?
Yep.
Okay, go ahead. You have all the camera footage, so you're fucking yourself. Cause at that, when did you ever tell me I was trespassed? Ask yourself that question. When did you ever tell me I was trespassed?
Tuesday.
Tell me. When did you ever tell me I was trespassed?
I didn't tell you.
So
I told you weren't allowed to go back inside.
I never went back inside.
I
Though.
literally arrested you from inside.
You arrested me right outside. You wanted to arrest me. I don't really care. It's okay. You can do whatever you want. You think right now you're hot shit. So whatever you want to do. You're going to sit there and you're going to regret it at the end of the day because you know for a fact there was nothing to sit there and hold me. You're going to hold me for a couple hours and you're going to realize I should have let this dumb bitch go because this dumb bitch cost me my whole career.
You kept fighting.
Oh, I kept fighting you? Go ahead. There's cameras everywhere. So go ahead. Let them know. I kept fighting you. I never kept fighting you. I never resisted you. I told you arrest me and I asked you what I was getting arrested for. You never sat there and applied with charges. You never told me what I was getting arrested for. So let them know that. Let them know that. Let them know that. Let them know that. Let them know. Can you talk to them, please, so they don't look for us? We have to make sure everything's okay.
Why did you take your seatbelt off?
Me?
Yes.
It hasn't been on for a really long time.
We put it on.
No, I promise.
Sit back.
Okay, I'm sorry. I promise. I'm so sorry. I didn't know that. Please, I think that I'm in danger. Oh my goodness. I want more.
A lot of these criminals, man, are just damaged and broken. And you have to talk to them like children. literally like children. I don't know what it is, man, because sometimes they respond like this, you know. All right, sit back, you know, and it's like you're talking to a child, you know. But I'm sure if they would have just listened to their parents when they were younger, they probably wouldn't be, you know. See, a lot of times these criminals, they either have a rough past or they want to grow up too fast, you know, and they start getting introduced to things that they probably shouldn't have been introduced to. And but it's just, some of this stuff is just sad. You're just literally you're just watching a woman that's broken. She's broken. And just causing a ruckus, you know.
Maybe I did something wrong or something, but please let me out. But what do you do now? Please, 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 please. I'm not gonna sit here. Please, please, I can't sit here. Please, please, please. I'm not gonna spit on you or anything.
All right. Hey, we'll do
I'm
this
not
and then you're going home, okay?
Okay.
We're just gonna do this and we'll be out of here.
I did not do nothing. What about the person in the car? Because I did not do nothing. I am that person in the car. I never did nothing.
The suspect was arrested for criminal trespassing, resisting arrest, disorderly conduct, and battery on an officer. She pleaded guilty to all charges except battery on an officer and disorderly conduct, which were dismissed in court. If you enjoyed this video,
Yeah. And her issues stem from something that's a lot bigger than, you know, not wanting to leave Denny's and stuff like that. She's going through some real issues, man. But still, no excuse. Got to be a productive member of society. And that is not being productive.